I'm YB Youngblood, Chief Connecting Officer of YBConnects and your LinkedIn locksmith. I unlock the advantages of LinkedIn so entrepreneurs can turn connections into cash flow. And I want to show you a real live example of how I use LinkedIn to connect to my ideal client. I'm a part of a few Facebook groups, but in particular, I just joined the Divine 9 52-week challenge Facebook group. And within the Facebook group, individuals had an opportunity to promote their business. And I saw this as an opportunity to connect with those individuals that I saw as a potential client and leverage LinkedIn to get in front of them. So I want to show you how I'm doing that. So within this group, many of the individuals have posted what they do and they've given information about their business. And so what I'm doing is I'm identifying individuals who may be best suited for what I offer in terms of consulting, coaching, and training services. And so what I'm specifically looking for are business owners, consultants, or coaches who may not be using LinkedIn in a way that will allow them to enhance their visibility, credibility, and profitability. And once I identify someone within this promotion here, I will go on to LinkedIn and send them an invitation to connect. And I want to show you the right way to do this because most people go on to LinkedIn and just hit the connection button. So let's see if I can find someone who has a appealing promotion of their business, and let's see if we can connect with them. So right here we have Yolande McCrae. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto LinkedIn. I'm going to click on the search bar and I'm going to look for Yolande McCrae. I think she had 2 C's in her name. Let's see. Yep. And I'm going to hit the search bar. Now it shows me that Yolande, I had a misspelling here. Excuse me. Yolande McCrae. All right. So it gives me a few options. Most of these folks are saying Yolanda, but there is a Yolande McCrae who's a nurse practitioner out of Miami, Florida area. But let me look a little bit more and see. Whoops, I think I might have lost her profile. But let me just go on here real quick and look at her profile. So it looks like her company is called The Healing Place, Julia's Kid. So this may be the young lady that I'm looking for. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send her a personalized note. And here's how I do that. I'll click these 3 dots here and it'll bring me a menu. And then I'll click on personalized invite. And I've already created a message that I've sent to several prospective clients already. I'm going to use that message in my clipboard. And my message reads, peace and blessings. I'm going to change Pinkston to McCrae. And it says, peace and blessings, Miss McCrae. Thank you for reading this note. I saw your business promo within the Divine 9 Facebook group and decided to reach out. My purpose for inviting you to connect is to offer myself as a resource to you and build a solid professional relationship. All the best, YB. And so what I'm going to do is I'm then going to send that note to her, and that goes into her inbox. I'm going to follow her company page, and then I'm going to go back into the Facebook group and I'm going to attempt to find her so that I can send her a note that says that I sent her an invitation to connect because I saw where I could potentially add value and would like to network. So that's how you use LinkedIn to connect and get in front of your ideal client and increase your visibility, credibility, and profitability. I'm Rob YB Youngblood, Chief Connecting Officer of YBConnects and your LinkedIn locksmith. I unlock the advantages of LinkedIn so entrepreneurs can turn connections into cash flow. Be encouraged, be blessed. Most of all, keep the faith. I look forward to us working together soon. Peace.